Olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's often hailed as liquid gold for its healthy fats and provide remarkable health benefits. But did you know that it can cause side effects if consumed excessively or by the wrong people? In this video, we'll dive into the truth about olive oil, its incredible benefits, potential risks, and the individuals who should avoid it altogether. Stick around until the end to learn the best ways to use olive oil for health and flavor. Olive oil is widely celebrated for its heart-healthy properties. Extra virgin olive oil is particularly rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower LDL, the bad cholesterol. By including olive oil in your diet, you can also help reduce blood pressure, one of the most significant risk factors for heart disease. Its powerful antioxidants work to protect your arteries from oxidative damage, promoting overall cardiovascular health. But olive oil's benefits don't stop there. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help ease symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis. It also aids in recovery, reducing swelling and promoting faster healing after injuries. Beyond internal health, olive oil is good for your skin. As a natural moisturizer, it hydrates and softens your skin while combating signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines. For those with conditions like eczema or psoriasis, olive oil can provide soothing relief. However, if the condition worsens, be sure to seek medical attention. Let's not forget its impact on brain health. The antioxidants in olive oil play a protective role, shielding brain cells from damage and potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, some studies suggest that olive oil may enhance cognitive functions, including memory and focus, making it a valuable addition to your diet for both mind and body. While olive oil is undoubtedly beneficial, excessive consumption can lead to certain side effects. Due to its high calorie content, overusing olive oil, particularly in fried foods, can contribute to weight gain. For those with sensitive stomachs, consuming too much can result in digestive discomforts, such as diarrhea or an upset stomach. Though rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to olive oil, with symptoms like skin rashes, hives, or difficulty breathing. For some people, olive oil may not be the ideal choice. Individuals with gallbladder issues should be cautious, as olive oil stimulates bile production, potentially exacerbating their condition. While olive oil can lower bad cholesterol, consuming it excessively could raise LDL cholesterol levels in some cases. If you are prone to digestive issues like diarrhea or heartburn, olive oil might aggravate these symptoms. Those allergic to olive oil should, of course, avoid it entirely. Additionally, people on low-fat diets should be mindful of their intake, as olive oil is calorie-dense despite being a healthy fat. To make the most of olive oil's benefits, it's important to use it correctly. For cooking, extra virgin olive oil is best suited for low to medium heat methods such as sautéing, grilling, or roasting. Its ideal temperature range is up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Refined olive oil, on the other hand, has a higher smoke point, making it better for high-heat cooking like frying, with a temperature tolerance of up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit or 215 degrees Celsius. Beyond cooking, olive oil is perfect for drizzling over salads or using as a dip for bread, adding both flavor and nutritional value. In skincare, olive oil can serve as a natural moisturizer or gentle cleanser, leaving your skin hydrated and glowing. Remember, the type of olive oil and how you use it can make all the difference in reaping its benefits. The key to unlocking olive oil's full potential lies in moderation. Incorporate it into your meals thoughtfully, ensuring it complements a balanced diet. Whether you're cooking, dressing a salad, or using it for skincare, a little olive oil can go a long way in boosting your overall health. But like all good things, it should be consumed in moderation and with awareness of its potential downsides. If you want to know more about the benefits of other foods, click this video where I share the power of turmeric for your health. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and food facts. As always, stay healthy and informed.